Everyone says invest your money, but no one clearly explains where you should actually put it. Stocks, bonds, both sound complicated. So today we are answering one powerful question. Which one makes you rich? Let's keep this super simple. Imagine you have 1,000 rupees and you want to invest it smartly. You don't want to gamble it, you want it to grow. You basically have two main options, stocks or bonds. Same 1,000 rupees, two completely different paths. Which one would you choose? When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. That means you actually become a part owner of that business. If the company grows, your investment grows with it. If it performs badly, your money can drop too. And stock prices, they change every single day based on news, demand, and performance. This is why people choose stocks. They offer massive growth potential over time. That 1,000 rupees you invest today could become 5,000, 10,000, or even more if the company does well. Some early investors have made life changing returns, but of course, there's a catch. Stocks are not stable. Prices go up and they can fall just as fast. Some days you'll see profits, other days losses. And if you panic and sell at the wrong time, you can lose money. That's the trade off. Higher reward but higher risk. Now let's talk about bonds. Bonds are basically loans. You lend your money to a company or the government, and in return, they promise to pay you back with something later, with interest. So instead of owning something, you're acting like the lender. This is why people choose bonds. They're usually much more stable and low risk and predictable. You usually know exactly how much you'll earn and when you'll get your money back. That makes them safer than stocks. But because they're safer, they don't grow your money as fast. Now, here's the real secret, compound interest. This is when your money earns returns, and those returns start earning returns too. So instead of growing in a straight line, your money starts growing faster and faster over time. That 1,000 rupees doesn't just increase, it multiplies. And the higher your return, the more powerful compounding becomes. And once I'll just show you the chart. So these are the bonds 1.4, 1. It goes up 1.22, 1.32, 1.48k. But for stocks, 1.8, 1.26, 1.48, 1.71, 2.16, much higher than 1.48. So here's the simple comparison. Stock, higher return but higher risk and volatility. Bond, lower return but more stability and safety. One helps your money go faster, the other helps protect what you already have. So, which one actually makes you rich? In most cases, stocks, but only if you can stay patient through the ups and downs. Bonds are great for safety, but slower growth. And in the end, the real secret isn't picking the perfect option. It's starting early and staying consistent. Because time, not timing, is what truly builds wealth. Comment, stocks, or bonds and subscribe if you want more simple finance videos like this. Thank you and have a very nice day.